Mr. President. How are you?
Good morning, Mr. President.
Good morning.
We stand on the cusp of the artificial intelligence revolution, and that promises untold advancements, but it also presents some rather unexpected challenges. It hinges on a workforce equipped with the necessary skills and an ecosystem that embraces technological inclusivity. Currently, the Philippines is embracing this future of AI with the crafting of the National AI Strategy that seeks to augment the existing skill set of Filipino talents with AI. This strategy also aims to position the Philippines as a center of excellence in artificial intelligence. We believe AI can uplift the lives of Filipinos, increase the productivity of our enterprises, and enhances the competitiveness of our economy. The Philippines is ready to become your partner in navigating the AI future. As we look to the horizon, let's make it happen in the Philippines, where the promise of a future defined by technological inclusivity and shared growth is not just envisioned but actively realized.